In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Gmail to a white background. If your inbox looks dark or has a photo behind it, and you just want that clean, bright look back, this quick walkthrough will get you there. We'll use the built-in theme controls in Gmail on a desktop browser. This only takes a minute and doesn't change your messages or settings beyond the appearance. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in if you aren't already. Look to the top right corner of the inbox. You'll see a small gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. This panel slides out on the right and gives you immediate access to appearance options without leaving your inbox, which makes this change fast and easy. In the Quick Settings panel, find the Theme section. If you currently have a wallpaper or dark look enabled, you'll see a preview of it here. Click View All to open the full theme gallery. This brings up a window with a grid of theme tiles, including photos, colors, and the default option. If the panel doesn't appear right away, give the page a second to load, or make sure your browser window is maximized so the sidebar can display properly. In the theme window, look for the default theme. It's typically a plain white or very light gray box and is often the first option in the list. Select that default theme to apply a simple, uncluttered white background to your inbox. You'll usually see an instant preview of how your inbox will look. If a confirmation button appears, go ahead and confirm to lock in the change. Once applied, your messages, sidebar, and toolbar should all return to a light, neutral background that's easy on the eyes and great for readability. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If your inbox still appears dark after choosing the default theme, make sure your browser or operating system isn't forcing a dark mode that overrides websites. Switching your system back to light can help Gmail match that look. Also, changes made here affect Gmail on the desktop. The Gmail mobile app manages appearance separately and generally follows your device's light or dark mode. That's all you need to reset Gmail to a white background. Open Gmail and the Settings gear, go to Theme and View All, then choose the default theme. Enjoy the clean, bright look, and feel free to revisit the same settings anytime if you want to try another style in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!